In this video, I'm going to walk you through some basic steps to diagnose and repair a Toyota steering angle sensor. If your stability control or traction control lights are on, or you're experiencing steering issues, this sensor might be the cause. First, use an OBD2 scanner that can read ABS and stability control codes to confirm if the steering angle sensor is faulty. If the sensor needs recalibration, many Toyota models allow you to reset it by turning the steering wheel fully left, then fully right, and then centering it while the ignition is on. Check your vehicle's manual for the exact procedure. If recalibration doesn't work, the sensor might need replacement. To do this, disconnect the battery, remove the steering wheel airbag carefully, then unscrew the sensor located behind the wheel. Install the new sensor and reconnect everything in reverse order. After that, use the OBD2 scanner to clear the error codes and recalibrate the sensor. If this video helped you repair your Toyota steering angle sensor, please like and subscribe for more helpful car tips. Thanks for watching.